English for daily life.
Do we have a tent?
Yes, it's in the trunk.
Did you pack sleeping bags?
2 bags, both clean.
Do we need extra blankets?
1 light blanket, just in case.
Do we have a flashlight?
Yes, with new batteries.
What about matches and a lighter?
Both are in the kitchen kit.
Do we bring a first aid kit?
Yes, small but complete.
Any insect spray?
In the side pocket.
Do we have enough water?
For bottles and a filter.
Food for today's?
Bread, noodles, fruit, and nuts.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Is this a good spot?
Yes, flat and shaded.
Is it far from the river?
About 50 meters, safe.
Any rocks on the ground?
A few. Let's clear them.
Is the wind strong here?
Light breeze only.
Do we need a permit?
Yes, I already bought it.
Is there a fire ring?
Yes, right over there.
Are there trash bins nearby?
At the parking area.
Is this spot quiet at night?
Usually very quiet.
Do we set the tent here?
Yes, with the door to the east.
Ready to unload?
Ready.
Should we lay the tarp first?
Yes, it keeps the tent dry.
Are these the main poles?
Yes, connect the color marks.
Do I clip the tent body now?
Yes, clip all around.
Is the rainfly necessary?
Yes, rain may come later.
Do we use all the stakes?
Yes, for better hold.
Is the floor smooth enough?
Yes, no sharp sticks.
Where do we put the bags?
Inside, on the left.
Do we need a small mat outside?
Yes, for dirty shoes.
Is the zipper working well?
Smooth, no problem.
Tent finished.
Done. Shall we cook now?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Gas stove or campfire?
Gas stove faster.
Do you want noodles first?
Yes, with veggies.
Salt and pepper okay?
Yes, and a bit of chili.
Do we have clean water?
Yes, I boiled some.
Plates or bowls?
Bowls for noodles.
Do you want hot tea?
Yes, with no sugar.
Should we keep leftovers?
Yes, in the cooler.
Do we wash dishes now?
Yes, before it gets dark.
Dinner was good.
Very good.
Do we make a fire?
Yes, small and safe.
Is the fire ring clear?
Yes, no dry leaves.
Wood or charcoal?
Wood, better smell.
Do we have marshmallows?
Yes, and biscuits.
Is the bucket of water ready?
Yes, next to the fire.
Can I add one more log?
Yes, but not too big.
Do you feel warm enough?
Yes, it's cozy.
Do we tell stories now?
Yes, I love that.
Should we put out the fire soon?
In 10 minutes.
All ash is cold.
Yes, it's safe. Do you hear any animals?
Just crickets, no worries.
Should we hang the food?
Yes, away from the tent.
Is the tent door closed?
Closed and zipped.
Do you need an extra blanket?
No. This is warm.
Is the flashlight by your side?
Yes, within reach.
Do we set an alarm?
6 a.m. is fine.
Earplugs or no?
No. I like the sounds.
Are your socks dry?
Yes. I changed them.
Ready to sleep?
Ready. Good night.
Good night.
Sleep well. Did you sleep well?
Yes, much better than expected.
Coffee or tea?
Tea, please.
Do we eat fruit for breakfast?
Yes, banana and apple.
Ready for a short hike?
Yes, after stretching.
Do we need sunscreen?
Yes, the sun is strong.
How about hats?
I packed 2 caps.
Do we follow the blue trail?
Yes, it's easy and safe.
Water bottles full?
Both are full.
Do we bring a small snack?
Nuts and cookies, yes.
Let's start in 10 minutes.
Perfect.
Is the water safe to touch?
Yes, but don't drink it.
Can we sit on that rock?
Yes, it's stable.
Do you want to take photos?
Yes, the light is nice.
Are there fish here?
Small ones near the edge.
Do we try skipping stones?
Yes, let's play.
Is the current strong?
A little, be careful.
Do you hear the birds?
Yes, very calming.
Shall we rest for 5 minutes?
Yes, I'll drink water.
Any trash around?
None, very clean.
Ready to head back?
Ready?
Do those clouds look heavy?
Yes, rain may come.
Should we cover the tent?
Yes, tighten the rainfly.
Do we move the bags inside?
Yes, keep them dry.
Any wet clothes to hang?
1 shirt, under the tarp.
Do we cook early today?
Yes, before the rain.
Is the stove under shelter?
Yes, away from the tent wall.
Do you want hot soup?
Yes, perfect for rain.
Is the firewood covered?
Yes, with a plastic sheet.
Do we check the pegs again?
Yes, push them deeper.
All set for rain?
All set.
Do we start packing now?
Yes, let's do it slowly.
Trash all collected?
Yes, in 1 bag.
Do we check the fire ring?
Cold and clean.
Any tent damage?
No, all good.
Do we shake the tarp?
Yes. Remove the dirt.
Are the pegs counted?
10 pegs complete.
Do we wipe the cookware?
Yes. Already dry.
Footprints visible?
Almost none.
Do we take one last photo?
Yes. For the album.
Ready to leave.
Ready. Good trip.